Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need two things right away: multiple controllers and a world that allows split screen. Start Minecraft on the console, sign in the primary profile, and load or create a world set to allow multiplayer. Once the world is open, press the second controller's menu button to join. Make sure the second player is signed in or using guest. This first step connects the controller input to the game and prepares the viewport for a second player to appear automatically at the split. Once the second controller is recognized, adjust settings for clarity. Go to video and confirm resolution is 720p or higher, and aspect ratio is 16:9. Otherwise, screens may crop. Then open settings right arrow multiplayer and toggle local server multiplayer so nearby controllers can join. Change UI scale and text size so both halves remain legible. Smaller HUD reduces overlap. After these changes, return to the world and have remaining controllers press menu to join. The engine will split. Finish by positioning players, choosing skins, and confirming permissions for each profile. If the screen isn't splitting, check resolution and that all controllers are active. Unplugged or unpaired controllers won't trigger a join. For lag or stuttering, reduce render distance and disable fancy graphics to free resources. If a controller fails to connect, power cycle it and resync to the console, then press the join button in-game. These steps complete setup and solve the most common split-screen problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.